Okay, so you have a phone, but it sucks. And you'd probably need to sell your kidney to get that new flagship. So in this video, I'll show you how to restore your phone and make it look, feel, and perform almost like it's brand new.
You should take it slow.
To start things off, you need to choose what you want to replace. In my case, I wanted to get a new battery, back glass, and some screen protectors. Other people also replace the buttons, screen, speaker, charging port, and more. I bought everything off AliExpress. This saves you money, but is a bit risky, as you'll see later in the video. If you want to go the safe route, you can source your parts from, for example, iFixit. Now, with all your parts ready, it's time for the restoration itself. Look for repair guides for your phone model. iFixit ones are generally the best, but YouTube videos should also be fine. In my case, I need to heat the adhesive holding the back glass to replace the battery. I first tried using the hair dryer, but when that didn't work, I used my 3D printer's heat bed set to 100 degrees Celsius and slowly removed the glass. Okay, just last bit. More focus on the... Yes. Okay, good, nice. Just a bit more. And that's the insides of the OnePlus 7 Pro. Oh my gosh, I did it. Here's all the adhesive with some of the glass left, so I gotta clean that up. After that, I started installing the battery. I took the motherboard cover off. That's really nice. I feel like I'm in a jerry rig everything. Here's a tiny motor for the camera. But before connecting it, I noticed that the battery label was just a sticker. This probably means that my battery is from some broken phone. I decided to install it anyway, as my original battery had a battery health of just 60%. So I thought it just couldn't be worse than that. I started installing the back glass. Note that some of these kits come with lenses and some don't. In my case, it came with one, so I only needed to reuse the flashlight PCB. The ones that don't have this require you to reuse your previous lens glass, so you need to heat that up to remove it. Yeah, and that looks like brand new, guys. Now that the back glass and battery were installed, it's time for the screen protector. And finally, the case. With all the hardware changes done, it's time for software. I copied all my data onto my computer and used SMS backup and restore to save my contacts and messages. Then I started flashing a Lineage OS, a custom stock-like Android ROM. A list of supported devices and guides is available on the Lineage OS wiki. I also used the Nick G apps full to get all the Google apps working. I also later rooted my phone using Magisk. I did this because Google was falsely detecting that my phone was rooted. So, To fix false root detection, I needed to actually root the phone. Makes sense. I used the Play Integrity Fix module, added the Google apps to the deny list, cleared the app's cache, and restarted the phone. After that, everything worked perfectly. I used Gcam for my camera app, and that was it! So that's going to be it for this video. I hope this inspires you to restore your old phone. This not only saves you money, but also is better for the planet. Even if you want to have the latest flagship, you can flash some older phones with Lineage OS, even unofficial ROMs, and give them a new life. Overall, I think Lineage OS is the most user-friendly custom ROM, but there are also other options such as YAP, yet another AOSP project. Returning to the OnePlus 7 Pro, I actually performed this whole process on another phone. I had more luck with the battery that time, so I'll be sure to leave a link to the one I bought in the description. In terms of future plans, I have lots of projects, but I just couldn't get to editing them. I hope to be more consistent in the future and focus a bit more on tech, but console restorations will still show up every now and again. For now, that's all, so I'll see you next time.